Hi there, Matt here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough tour of our 2016 Audi RS3 Sportback we have new in stock. I'm just going to run through the specification of this vehicle, just pointing out some of the main standout features on the car. Starting with the exterior, our example here is finished in the Mythos Black paintwork, which is an optional feature. You have the gloss black exterior styling package, which includes all of your exterior trim, which would otherwise be in chrome, also finished in gloss black. The vehicle comes with privacy glass, the 19-inch Rotor design alloy wheels with the diamond cut face, the optional cruise control function, as well as a few extra optional features throughout the interior as well. The RS3 as standard does come with the aggressive front and rear bumpers, the chrome tailpipe finishers, the RS3 design front seats, flat bottom steering wheel with the Alcantara grab handles, all of the features you'd expect from a premium vehicle, including DAB radio, satellite navigation, different storage compartments, infotainment ports and charge ports, the RS design premium gear selector, multi-zone climate control, heated seats, the RS sport suspension with the RS braking system as well, all of the performance features you'd expect around the exterior and underneath the bonnet and under the car. If you'd like to know any more information about this particular model we have for sale, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.